Hey everybody, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really quick video, and it's about how to get your influence for your YouTube videos. Right now, I'm very transparent, y'all. I'm sitting down at my kitchen table eating dinner, and it's been a struggle today. Sometimes you will struggle on trying to get ideas of what to make a video about. You may have had a day where, you've been busy with family, or your mind has just been focused elsewhere. So sometimes it's a push. So I said, you know what, because I know where my inspiration does come from. And I was getting ready to sit down and go through some things that I do in order to actually create these videos for you guys. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So today, I'm going to give you three things that I do. In order to find inspiration for the videos that I send to you all, that I show you all every day. Now, don't forget, at the end of this video, to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications I'll be giving you, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into number one. Number one, you're going to learn something every day in your business. Every day you have some tasks, whether it is learning how to correctly send your emails, learning how to create your campaign, learning how to use a new tool like an autoresponder, or get your domain names, or how to use a new software to download videos. But you're going to learn something every day. So the number one thing to do is, when you do learn something during your day, teach it to someone else. So that's my inspiration for most of my videos. I have been able to teach you what I've learned throughout the day, something new that I've learned in my business. So that's number one. And number two is, I watch videos of other people I'm influenced by on YouTube, other people that's in the same niche as I am, which is the online marketing niche, affiliate marketing niche, and how to make money online niche. So I watch people in my niche. I get inspiration from them. I watch some of their techniques. And actually, I have that great tool I showed you guys that actually can go behind and see what they've done on their videos, like how they have tagged their videos in order to get high rankings. So you get your influence. One, you can learn something and teach somebody. Two, watch videos of other people who influence you, and then create a video of your own, okay? Because even though you may be teaching something similar to what they are teaching, everybody resonates with different people in different ways. So you may say something that they didn't say, and you may just inspire someone in a different way. So that would be number two, is to watch your influencers. And number three, if you're online on social media, some people, most people, they like to put inspirational posts up. And sometimes you can get influence from those inspirational posts. Somebody can write something about being well, or your mindset, or something of that nature, and you can resonate. You feel it. You understand it. You're like, oh, okay, yeah, I feel that way. Well, you know what? In that moment, and I'm telling you, sometimes it's best to actually make your videos when you're in the moment, like right now. So when you're in the moment, you go ahead and you make that video. Okay? And you also can jot a few things down. When the thought hits your mind, whenever you get your inspiration for your video, write it down. Write down what you want to say so it can stay fresh in your mind, okay? And then you go ahead and teach it to somebody else, okay? So this was really a quick video. I wanted to just get online while it's right there on me, while it's on my mind. I did jot my ideas down before I actually talk to you guys, so it can stay fresh for you. And I want to go ahead and give you these three ideas to get influences and get ideas for your videos when you are creating your YouTube videos, okay, and boosting up your channel. So again, I would like for you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button down in the corner so you can get more notifications as I send them every day. And also, if you want to know what I'm doing to make money online and the new great lead gen secret that I am in, the new emailing system that I'm in, go ahead and hit the links below. I'll leave you the link for my #1 money making opportunity and for lead gen secret. And also there will be a few links down there for some tools that you'll use as far as in your online business. And of course, I do have bonuses for you, and I will leave that in my description of what those bonuses are. So go ahead and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't forget to check out my description for those 2 links for my money making opportunity and for the lead gen secret, and also for the bonus descriptions. Okay, so until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Be awesome. I'm going to eat my food, and I'll see you later. Have an awesome night. Bye-bye now.